Graciously Morale. You are most welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time on my channel, you are mostly welcome, and please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and for always coming back to see your girl. So today we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna be unboxing this box. Yes, I'm so excited about it. Got a couple of items in it, but then I think I'm looking forward to most two important items that I've always wanted, always wanted to buy, but because of this and that I couldn't buy, but then finally I bought them. So without any waste of time, let us get straight into the unboxing. So first item, it's going to be this tripod. The stand. I just decided to buy a smaller stand because I was tired of this ring light. Sometimes it doesn't work in my favor, so I decided to buy this. Yeah, I bought it for 100 rand. I think it was 100 rands, if my memory serves me well. So yeah, that's just that. Alright. And the second item is going to be this cordless screwdriver. I'm gonna be using it for my DIYs and other stuff. So yeah, that's the second item. What? The third item is this large LED mirror. It's got some light. I'm not sure if it's showing properly, but yeah, this is that. And the very first, the measuring rulers. Man, I'm so excited that I finally bought them. I'm so excited. I've always wanted to have them since I'm just a learner in this fashion designing thing and all that. By the way, I'm learning all these things from YouTube. I'm learning how to swim from YouTube. I learned my makeup from YouTube, and I believe that there's still more that I'm going to learn from YouTube. So yeah. So let's open our rulers. So here they are 7. Something is missing. Wait. There's also this other item. Okay, let me see. Maybe it's not here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was supposed to get this other, but it's fine now. I'll sort it out with them, but then here are my rulers. 1, 2. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be doing my patterns with this rulers. I'm gonna be drawing my patterns. I'm gonna be drawing out shapes on my fabrics, using the rulers. Like, I'm just excited. I can't even help it. So yeah, this is just it. there's one more item missing. One more item missing from this packet box. I need to give it to me. So it's just that. Okay. And oh god, it's a multifunctional kit for the tube. So it's a variety of all the food presses that I'm gonna be using on my sewing machine. I bought it for my Envisel sewing machine. Since well, I'm still trying to get a budget or get the money to buy an industrial sewing machine, so I'm gonna be using this in the meantime, you know. So let me open it. Let's open it. Okay, this these are the zipper boots, the stitch guide. Man, finally put them, you know. But then I'm gonna do another video on them, showing how they work, which food presser or which food does what, and all that, you know. So yeah, we got them. They're here. So I'm gonna do a full video on them, and I'm also gonna be reviewing them. So yeah. So this is my box. I'm disappointed. Something is missing. Anyways, I need to fix that, but then it's fine. So this is just it, and this is what I'm gonna be working with for now until I get an industrial sewing machine. So I guess this is it for now on our unboxing, and then I'm gonna come back with a full I'm gonna come back with another video showing what happens with which item on this kit, you know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm excited. I'm excited, man. Thank you for watching.